Hello guys, so today I'll show you an app. You can make videos, you can add effects, stickers, gifs and all of that. I have used it myself. It's a really cool app. I'll put the link in the description. I recommend all of you guys downloading it. Subscribe to me, like the video, share it with all of your friends. And now I'm gonna show you my screen. So here we are at the app. First of all, let's press the plus button on the new project. I don't think so I have any live photos, but you can have like stock photos, the photos from here and all of that. Look, I'll show you one of them. 1 second. Let me show you one. I can add it. See? It's already made it. They're just showing the stuff you can add. So now, first of all, let's delete this right here. And now let's go back. Now let's go to photos. And now I'm gonna go down. Actually, sorry, not that deep down. Let's get like pictures like this, this, and like this. Actually, I'll just get. If you, I forgot to say, you can even convert photos into video, but I'm gonna show you the videos for today. So let's get like this plain video right here. It has nothing on it, just to show you how to use it. So let's go to edit. First of all, you can even add like 1 second. First of all, let's show you audio, sounds and all that. You can, the sounds like from here, and they're no copyright anything. They're just totally free. You don't have to pay anything. You can just tap on the save button. It's gonna save it and it's gonna directly put it to the video. If you want, I'm not gonna use any. You can even add effects like 1 second. Let me show it. Let me get like a fighting effect. Let's get the big bomb. Sorry for that. That was too loud. But you understand, like there's the effect and all of that. You can add like from this right here. You can add like if you have a video which has sound, you can just put the sound. The sound of the video will come down, and you can adjust all of that. And from here you can voice record. I mean voice over if you want. Like upon a video, if you didn't say anything or by mistake when you made a video you forgot to press on the voice mark. If you forgot to press on the mic, then you can just voice over. But it's hard. But if you can do it. Let's write hello guys first of all, and now let's press the check mark, and then tap on the. Actually, don't tap on the thing. Yeah, leave it. Text templates. First, I'll show you text templates. These are the most trending ones right now from this app. But there's more like time, subtitle, messages, symbol. Like I'll show you. See like the computer message and all of that. WhatsApp message and all of that stuff is here. You can use them like for something if you want. That's okay. So you can even do all sorts of caption like original voice over or something. There's also captions. Then you can do that even. Showing no sound detected. See? 1 second. So if you tap on the the orange mark right here which says hello guys. Then if you press on the text to speech, there was 3 here to use. Oh, there they are.
Hello guys.
You can use it, don't you can check the others. Style, press on style, it's gonna show you like you can like change it up or something. You can even like get these, or if you don't want you can just change the spacing, stroke and all of that stuff. Background, spacing, shadow, all of that stuff. Let's go to white and keep it. You can do spacing like if you want a lot or less, but I'm not gonna do anything because I'm not gonna make it bad. You can even like make it more like how you want, so I'll keep it like this. And there are also effects you can use. All of these effects. There's a lot. Bubbles, like bubble effects. So you can check out the others yourself. Animation is the like how you want to start up. So I'm gonna go for the fade vibe. Actually, fade vibe, yeah, right way. Fade vibe, right way. And I'm gonna make it very slowly. Like this, if you like move this thing right here, so yeah, you can choose like if I make it like this, that's gonna see it's gonna show you. See, it didn't show anything. If I make it like this, it's gonna be so slow. I'm gonna keep it to 2.1. Yeah, that's cool. But there's like the loop ones that will like it will keep on doing the same thing, the jiggle or something. So I'm just gonna put this one again and then check mark. Like you can even copy the same thing again if you want. You can split like you want it here now. If you want to split from somewhere, just move around and press the split button then, and then if you hold the orange text from where it's splitted, you can, if you hold it, then you can change the places. Like if you make it down the text or move it around, you can do that if you want. So if I press erase and I can then, so just you can do that. I already showed you about the text stuff. Now let's go to, first I'll show you stickers. Actually not from here. I'll show you stickers from here. And plus you can add photos yourself to stickers like the image plus the button right there. It's gonna make you add the picture or something if you want. There are all the emojis and all of that, and then like from the app you can use. There's a lot. You can check out them yourself. Overlays like basically like I want this app picture right here. I want it like on the video. One second, I'll show you. I want it like I want it exactly like, you see that this line right here, while you move the screen, the line also moves. I want it right here. So now see, 1 second. For example, if I just take the line here, and then I take this thing. If you like hold the down thing here, see when the line comes, it's automatically stops. Then you can move it more around. So if I want it exactly at when the text finishes, 1 second, and now I do that, and boom, see. And 1 second, I will even make the same. Why I can't? Yeah, I can actually. See, it's cool. You can use it for a lot of stuff. Combo even. So combo basically does like if you're making edit like different edits, it's gonna keep on like moving around and all the stuff. So and you can like splice, if you know what it means. Like you can like, see now, like I'll show you. See, only the thing comes. Depends on how you hard. I'm gonna keep it. Actually, I'm gonna keep it light and light. So you can remove background, but I don't have no background. You can split. I showed you already. Style, like different styles and all that. But I don't have a clear photo right here for any of these because they're not like there for like if I have like a person take picture, then I can do the effects on it. Style I already showed you. Edit, like just rotate it how you want. Crop, you can crop it if you want to, like however you want to crop it. Mirror, so like just change the direction of where it's facing. Layer 1, or you can, if you have like 2 layers, it's gonna you can change it up to layer 1 or layer 2. Main track, like make it main track, but I want to keep it overlay. It's an overlay. It's made it bad. 1 second, let me just I need to fix it. Oh no, it's ruined. So also I showed you basically what it does. Effects, like facial effects, like only faces you can use here. Only faces. These are only for faces. But these ones are not for only faces. But these are all for only faces. Video effects. Like you can use this right here. Let's for example, let's just use. Let's go down. Actually, let's go to party, and now let's go deep down. Now let's go to where is it? 1 second. Should be around here. The one I want. Yeah, the black flash. I'll show you. I'm gonna keep it exactly at 1 second. Where is it? So it is at here. For now, see. Replace effect, adjust speed. If I make the speed very fast, that's see, it's very slow now. Object, you already know all this stuff, and like filters. 1 second, let me go to a place here, so I can show you a better view of the. 1 second, let's show you the 1 day one. It actually looks better with the black flash. It really does look better with the black flash. See, it actually does look better. It's not showing much, so I showed you basically the format. Like you can make it. I recommend 16.9 for the UET videos, and like it, like you already know what it does. I'll just show you. Like if you have like a background of like your video is not full, like your video has like if you're making a video and the screen is not full from both sides or up and down, you can just use these. You can adjust all of that stuff. Adjust, like you can. I'll put the shadow. Okay, I'll show you now. See, you even see a shadow here. In the dark, you see a shadow. So I showed you basically what it does everything. And now you can just press the save button and it's gonna. By the way, you have to be careful and not close. It's no, not like I'll show you like now. See, while saving, okay? If I do this, it's gonna stop. So you can't do anything while your video is saving. So that's like basically it. So by the way, if you're even like your app crashes, it's gonna automatically save the project and your stuff will not go to waste. So that's it for today. Subscribe to me, like the video, share it with all your friends, and bye.